Right, welcome back everybody. Okay, brake pads rear KTM 990. I couldn't believe how quick it actually is. Very easy. You don't need to remove any calipers or anything. You'll see in the video. The only thing that I would like to add on this that I haven't shown in the video is when you put your pin back, you'll see I slide it back with your two brake pads here. So have a look at the hole on this side on the pin and have a look on the hole on that side of the pin. You'll see the one is a bit off center versus the other one. So have a look at the rear one, and then as you push it in, take your circlip and hold it on the shaft by slowly pressing it, and you'll feel it nudge, and then push it right through. Take the outer one, push it right through, done and dusted. Really, it's simplistic. It's so you'll be able to do it under a minute. But check it out. Rear brake pads change KTM 990. Video coming up now. Cheers. Later. Bye bye. Okay, welcome back everybody. Let's quickly do brake pad change on the rear KTM 990. You'll see I've opened up the reservoir bit. I know there's going to be a bit more fluid and that will have to come out. Changing the rear brake pads, they are worn. Taking off the two circlips, one in the front, one in the back, one this side, one that side. And what I usually do is push my piston calipers out. Push the two brake pads out. Well, at least they were not completely worn. That's a good thing. All you have to really do is make sure that your pods are fully pushed in prior fitting the new brake pads. And that's about it. As I said, I've opened my reservoir a bit. On a previous occasion I had an issue. That's one in. And that's it, 5-minute job. Did it really take 5 minutes? Just make sure you open up your reservoir on the front. If there is an excess amount of pressure or fluid that comes out, put a rag underneath it. But yeah, Bob's your uncle. Good to go. Make sure you put your pins back in correctly. And that's all that it is to it. Obviously this pin is a bit of a mission, so you need to remember when you line it up. You'll see not straightforward. One is a bit up top, the other one lower. Put these in. But anyway, put your two pins in, front, one back, fasten your front reservoir again, brake pads changed, done and dusted. These weren't too bad. but it's worth replacing them. It's better than it will cost you a disc at the end of the day. Cool. Right, we'll chat about another video soon. Bye bye everybody.